Hello children. So today we will do the exercise of 25th chapter, that is the fox and the stork. So you open page number 101. See children, this is a comprehension, and as I already told you that in exam unseen passages come. It's not like the same passage will come and you have to answer the same question answers. It is just given for practice. But in exam, the unseen passages come from outside and you have to read the passage and you have to answer the questions by your own, in your own words. Okay. So I want you all to go through this passage, read this passage, and you try to answer the question which is given at the back. Okay. So this passage is the fox and the stork. It is I'm just give you a brief about it. It's a story about a fox and means this stork is there. Stork means a large bird is there with long beak and all. So once the fox was very cunning, means very shrewd kind of animal, he invited stork for the dinner, and when he had to serve the dinner, so he served a watery soup and in a very shallow dish. It was not very deep. So the stork was not, because the stork has a long beak, so the stork was not able to eat the dinner properly. So means that the stork became very upset, and she also invited fox for the dinner next day. And the next day what stork did, she made a soupy kind of food with the meat pieces inside it, and she served it in a vessel which has a long neck. So obviously fox cannot put the mouth in the long neck, so now fox was not able to eat the dinner. So this is the story about this, how stork took a kind of revenge from the fox for not treating her nicely. So you can answer the question which is given at the back. Now we'll do the match the following, match the words with their meanings. So come to B1. Stork, meaning is B1, a large bird with long legs and a long neck and beak. Shallow, C option, not deep. Beak, A, option number A, the hard pointed or curved part of a bird's mouth. Meal, option C, an occasion when food is eaten. Shone, option C, glowed or gleamed in the light. Polite, option B, having good manners. Stew, option B, a dish of meat, vegetables, etc. cooked slowly in a liquid in a closed pan. Fault, option A, a mistake. Thrust, option B, to push forward suddenly with force. Content, option C, satisfied. Okay, I repeat, 1B, 2C, 3A, 4C, 5C, 6B, 7B, 8A, 9B and 10C. Okay children, now you come to one more is there, no? Let me see. Yes, the three farmers, page number 112. Page number 112, it is here. Yes, the three farmers. So here also same way you will read the paragraph by your own and you will try to answer the question. It is just for practice. Now let's do the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences with words taken from the passage and listed below. The doctor advised the patient to follow for at least a year the diet, D-I-E-T, diet he had prescribed for him. We had roast chicken with mashed potatoes, M-A-S-H-E-D, mashed potatoes for lunch. The dash jumped over the low wall and ran away from the policeman. Robber, R-O-B-B-E-R, robber. Zonko's father Nolly is an dash large elephant, enormously. 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 Enormously means very big, huge. Between the hills there was green fertile valley, Valley, valley through which flowed a river. Now turn your page. The cook was so mean, mean, mean means selfish, that she would not let us have an extra piece of cake. The trees in the orchard, 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 were laden with ripe juicy fruit. 8.1. Frightened of the darkness, 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 the two lost children walked towards the light they could see in the distance. The king lost his temper and in his anger, anger, asked his youngest daughter to leave his kingdom. Nowadays, we measure liquids in liters, not gallons, gallons. So repeat the answers. First is diet, second mashed, third robber, fourth enormously, fifth valley, sixth mean, seventh orchard, eighth darkness, ninth anger, 10th gallons. Okay children, so these are the words which you will fill it, and you will study all the chapters that is coming in first term, and properly you will study all the exercises, and you will learn the definitions also, and you will not leave any chapter, any exercise you will not leave. Okay children, thank you.